Are you sitting at a desk, tired and stressed, surrounded by piles of papers and a clock ticking loudly in the background? Are you tired of the daily grind, working a 9-to-5 job that drains your energy and leaves you with little to show for it? Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to live life on your terms? Well, you're not alone. Hi there, I'm Andrew Webster's assistant, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can break free from the shackles of the traditional work model and start making money online with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Imagine waking up every morning to a life of abundance, where you have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, on your own schedule, and with unlimited earning potential. That dream can become your reality when you learn the secrets of high-ticket affiliate marketing. The traditional 9-to-5 job comes with its own set of challenges. Long hours, limited income potential, and the feeling of being stuck in a never-ending cycle of trading time for money. But what if I told you there's a better way? High-ticket affiliate marketing allows you to earn substantial commissions by promoting high-value products or services to a targeted audience. With the right strategies and guidance, you can build a profitable online business that generates passive income while you sleep. In my upcoming free course, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of getting started with high-ticket affiliate marketing. From choosing the right niche and products to driving traffic and optimizing your conversions, I'll cover everything you need to know to succeed in this lucrative industry. Just like Jason and Christine, who went from struggling to make ends meet to achieving financial freedom through high-ticket affiliate marketing, you too can transform your life and create the future you desire. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny and embark on a journey to success, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more step-by-step videos on high-ticket affiliate marketing. Comment free below for access to my free course or check the description for the link. Remember, the choice is yours. Will you continue to trade your precious time for a paycheck, or will you seize the opportunity to create a life of abundance and fulfillment? The power is in your hands. Subscribe now, and let's make your dreams a reality.